Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two super easy home decoration tutorials on the most loved and liked character by the kids, that is, the unicorn. In the first part of the tutorial, I'm going to show you a painting of an unicorn that I've done in a unique style. So let's check out what we need for this tutorial. We need canvas, acrylic paint, white paper, wool, golden glitter paper, pencil, glue, wool needle, scissors and black marker. So first I am painting the canvas with pink and sea pink color. Then I will go ahead and draw a unicorn face on a white paper. After that I will cut out the paper and place on the canvas to make an outline drawing of the unicorn face. Now I will draw the other parts of the unicorn face. So here I have completed all the areas that need to be painted. Now I will go ahead and start working on the unicorn hairs. Here I have taken a 20-inch piece of a pink wool. So the technique is you have to bring the needle to front from the back of the canvas and glue it according to the drawing. And you have to do it again and again. Believe me, it doesn't take much time. It's just fun. Try it. So here is my unicorn painting is ready now. So let's move on to the second part of the tutorial, which is on unicorn style dream catcher. We will need embroidery hoop, wool, paper flowers, foam, glitter paper, needle, beads, scissor and glue. So my drip catcher is ready now.